Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd. I know it's been a while since I have broadcasted to you. It's been quite a while because my platform has even changed. So I had to get used to all this again. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, this isn't going to be one of my quirky videos. This is going to be a serious one because this is serious times. I'm going to discuss with you about Facebook advertising. It is very important that you advertise on Facebook. Social media is taking over in ways that you can't imagine, or maybe you can. And it's also what you may or may not realize, a new way of using television. Even more people in a day scroll on Facebook than they even watch TV. So that is an advantage to the small guy like you and I. We can put our ads on Facebook and people will look at them like it's national, or not national, but like it's television. And so you want to take advantage of that. You want to use that. And Facebook is the way to do it. I'm going to tell you. You want to run a little ad. You want some music in the ad. You want to show you the tool that you're using. You want to play it like it's a commercial, because it is. It's your commercial. Let me just show you one that I'm running right now that seems to be working very well for me. Let me just show you. 1 second here. Get this up here. Just want you guys to see this. I'll put this down here. Like I said, I'm me one time. And how do you feel about me and All right, we're here at Mrs. Tynan's house. And Mrs. Tynan, you've used me for the last couple of years. So this review is actually going to be more impactful than some of the ones I get where people only use me one time. And how do you feel about me and my services?
Excellent. Couldn't be better.
Wow.
Couldn't be better. Every time you come, it's an amazing job. That's why I always call you back, because I know I won't get anybody better than you, because I've used other people and they don't even come to your standards.
Wow. Thank you so much. That means everything. So my last question is, would you refer me to anyone that's watching this review?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Tynan. All right. I just wanted you guys to see that. Now, if you watch that, that had an entry, it had music, it had my tool with me demonstrating the steam coming out the wand, so they know that I'm using real steam, hence the word steam cleaning. Yes, guys, they need to see that. Also, it had a testimonial, it had a review in it. Someone that I've used not just once, has used me not just once, but have used me more than once. And she gave me a raving review. All of that was packed in that video. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you, if I can get back here, let me see. You want to tell people not about your prices in your ad. That's where a lot of us go wrong. We go so wrong. We want to talk about want to get right to the prices. Let me go scroll back here. Okay, you see here, right here. Let me blow this up so you can see it. Oh, I don't know if I can blow this up. So I'm going to read it to you. Hold on 1 second. Let me read this to you. Let me put this down here. Oh, it doesn't matter. I can just read it to you because you guys can't see it pretty much anyway. This is how my ad reads. How often should you clean your carpet? To keep your carpet looking and performing well for as long as possible, manufacturers recommend having your carpets cleaned at a minimum of every 12 to 18 months, depending on the amount of traffic in your home. In fact, such frequent cleaning is a condition of many warranties. Be sure to carefully read your warranty information. Call BioClean at the phone number today, and then it takes you right to my website. Guys, ladies, this is a perfect Facebook ad. You don't want to boost the post though. You want to go back to into Facebook business. So you want to go into your ad manager. You want to go into your ad manager and you want to pick the post. You want to create an ad, and then you want to do ad scheduling. Yes, you want to schedule your ad. You don't want it to run all day or when Facebook wants to run it for you. You want to pick the hours of the day that people are going to be scrolling the most. Now you have to think, most people are at work between 9 and 5. So in the mornings, they're going to work. I like to schedule my ads to run between about 7 and 9 because that's when they get to work. Then I like my ads to run between 11 and 2 because those are the lunch hours. Excuse me. And then I like my ads to run between 5 and 9 because those are the dinner hours and the resting hours before people retire for the night. So I'm not running my ad all day. I'm not just giving Facebook all my money for free. I want these ads to work for me, not Facebook. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to test out this platform, this new platform that I'm using, and I wanted to show face, and I wanted to give you guys a tip that you could definitely use. I hope this worked to both of our advantages. I hope you can see this and hear me, and I hope you took what I told you in this short video for food for thought. This is Roger Lloyd, the administrator of the carpet cleaning world, and I'm back. So be looking forward and watch my videos. They will help you greatly. And if you don't have the proper marketing, give my office a call at 484-420-7220. Let's get you started. Why did you get in this business? Do you want to make some money or do you just want to be a cleaner? The choice is yours. You take care now.